The last few months have been very challenging and stressful to everyone around the world. Thankfully, businesses around the country are reopening, and this includes Parsa Mohebi Hair Restoration. It's only natural that due to panic around the country that people would have a fear of contracting the virus if they visit the business. But I want to personally assure you that all of us at Parsa Mohebi Hair Restoration have your safety in mind. Today, I would like to show you some of the steps we are taking on a regular basis to ensure the safety of our patients. Each of our patients are screened before they enter the office for any signs of illness. We check the temperature of both our staff members and our patients when they arrive at the office every time. Our front desk workers are separated from the public by plexiglass to maintain social distancing when patients arrive at our office. Our team of medical technicians continue to wear gloves and masks to eliminate the possibility of any cross-contamination between our staff and our patients. Each patient will be required to wear a mask during their visit to our office. If necessary, we obtain testing for COVID-19 before the patients arrive at our office. Here are some other steps we practice to maximize the safety of our patients and staff at Parsa Mohebi Hair Restoration. We are limiting the number of patients allowed in our office at one at a time. We allow no walk-ins and only allow patients to visit our office if they have an appointment. Social distancing protocols would be followed in our lobby and waiting areas. Our procedure rooms go through deep cleaning every single day. Our medical facility will continue to be sanitized throughout the workday to ensure the safety of our staff and the public. Hi, Dr. Mohebi here. I hope you're staying safe and healthy during these unusual times. Almost all of us have been experiencing a different lifestyle lately. We have put a lot of regular activities on hold, including sports, family gatherings, shopping, dining out, and even getting a haircut. For the patients of Parsa Mohebi Hair Restoration, the California lockdown also meant delaying in hair and scalp health evaluations, medical treatments, and hair restoration procedures. The good news is that California is beginning to restart slowly and carefully. Of course, the reopening is going to be in phases, including right now and here at Parsa Mohebi Hair Restoration. We have prepared our offices for reopening by implementing every protective measure suggested by the state of California and medical experts. These protective measures include prioritizing the patients that must be seen in the office and selecting the visits that can be done remotely through our online consultation system. We have also made several changes to function as a COVID-safe medical facility. This means we continue to screen our patients and staff carefully for any health issues. We will limit the number of patients in the office and will only have by appointment visits when needed. During the first phase of the reopening, we will continue to provide virtual consultations for follow-ups and new patients whenever possible. The virtual consultations are secure and easy. Please contact my office and select your appointment with my staff. Our staff will always be wearing protective gears, and we will provide protective gears to our patients while they are in the procedure. We will also maintain social distancing in the waiting area and sanitize our facility, surfaces, and equipments vigilantly throughout the day, as we have done since the beginning of this crisis. In addition, we will monitor and evaluate patients before their visit. We will also perform temperature check and, if necessary, testing for COVID-19. While these steps might seem extreme to some, we are committed to ensuring the health of our staff and patients. If you have been waiting to contact Parsa Mohebi Hair Restoration to learn more about hair restoration and how to maintain the health of your hair and scalp with at-home treatments, it is time for us to connect. I cannot wait to hear from you. Until then, stay safe. We are very excited that we are in the new phase of COVID pandemic. The things are changing with vaccination becoming more available to most people. We see the trend is going down. At least in the United States it has been like that. However, in the procedure room we always wear masks for protection of the staff, so we have to wear masks for the the small particles that may be inhaled. Patients always be protected. The staff are working very closely with patients, so we have to be able to communicate with them at the same time. We protect ourselves with gown, hat, mask, and everything else.
So as COVID is becoming more under control, we are seeing the trend of number of people getting sick or dying from disease is going down, but we continuously using our universal precautions to protect our staff and our patients.